If you got a new iPhone, there are chances that you will lose it in the next 30 days. Hi, I'm Shaggy, and if you haven't skipped this video, I will tell you why your phone will be lost and how you can prevent it. According to the survey conducted by IDG Research, 1 out of 10 smartphone owners are victims of phone theft, and 68% of them are unable to recover it. The reality is that your phone is 30 times more valuable than the block of solid gold. Another research shows that 70 million smartphones are lost each year. The top of the line in the stolen charts is iPhone, followed by Samsung devices. So, the chances of iPhone users losing their devices are higher than anyone else. When you buy a new iPhone, everyone around you knows it instantly. Your maid, the pizza guy, the garbage man, the kid next door, and even your neighbor's cat. It's not that all of them are waiting for your phone. The reason is that you're carrying it with you everywhere. In the bar, while shopping, in the park, at work, and even at the beach. But no matter how happy you are with your phone, there are people who are not as much excited as you are. So, the data shows that 40% of your phones were stolen when you left it in a public setting. 14% was stolen from a car or a house, and 11% was stolen from victims' hands, pockets, purse, or bags. The research also shows that 16% of their phones are stolen in the restaurant, 11% in the bars, 11% at work, 6% on public transportation, and 5% on the streets. The time is also important. 40% are stolen between 12 p.m. and 5 p.m. 29% were stolen between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. and 18% between 10 p.m. and 5 a.m. And that's not all. 68% of phone theft victims are willing to put their lives in some sort of danger to retrieve their stolen phones or the personal information on it. When someone has lost his device, the first reaction is anger, frustration, sadness, or embarrassment. 10% of the victims do not do anything, and out of 90% victims who take action to recover their phones, only 32% are successful. So the big question is how to stop it. There are two things that you can do. One with the help of technology, and the other through personal care. iPhone has its own built-in security feature where you can be able to find your phone even if it is powered off. But the sad thing is that majority of the victims use these features after they have lost their first phone. So the first step is to use all the security features. Use passcodes and activate Find My Device. There are tons of softwares available for Android devices that can give you the exact location and even if your phone is powered off. The second way is to prevent it by taking care of your phone. 44% of the thefts are reported in the restaurants where you have left your phone, and by the time you know it, someone else has picked it up. So whenever you go into a restaurant, try to sit at a place where it is clearly visible in the security cameras, so you can identify the person who picked up your phone from the footage. One of the best practices is not showing it off. When you're carrying such an expensive device, use it only when it is necessary and put it in your front pocket all the time. The chances of your phone being stolen are much higher when it is on the table and not in your pocket. As we know that it is told not to use the phone while driving, most of us don't take it seriously. As you use the phone while driving, it is visible to others and there are more chances of being robbed on a gunpoint or snatching. Do not put your phone on these places in your car. While listening to a phone call or updating your status, keep your windows closed all the time at red light or even in parking. Do not take your phone with you when you are jogging, going for a walk, or going to a beach. Keep your phone at home, in the car, or in the locker when you are out in these areas. The best safety tip is to subscribe this channel, and you will be updated on the other security features of your phone. If your phone is stolen, call the police immediately. You can find your iPhone with iCloud Find My Phone services. But the important thing is that not to risk your life for your phone that can be bought again. If you like this video, do share and subscribe to the channel. So goodbye till we meet again.